Someone's not counting. 6.
Dangerous.
Boy just hooked me up with the Beast Mode Dunkin' of Donuts, man. What's good, bro?
It's the lattes, man.
It's the latte life. Mr. Jaden at Dunkin' Donuts. YouTube, bro. How about that?
YouTube, you're a vlogger.
Yeah. Alright, bro.
Alright.
What's up, guys? I'm at Best Buy right now, as you can see, and I wanted to show you what they actually still have on shelves. I'm curious about this little Mach 1, honestly. It looks like it's got brushless setup. That's interesting. I've never seen that before, so I may have to check that out. There's the unique Mantis everybody's been talking about. I have no idea what that is. Of course, the Karma Grip. And so here's the Mantis Q. I heard this really sucks for some reason. And wow. Are those not brushless motors? Oh, wow. Interesting. This is a demo model, one or the other. And there's the Q500. And then, of course, the bird that DJI is currently suing Alltel over. Here we have the Evo. They're having some fun right now with DJI and the lawsuit that's going on. And then my next bird I want to get right here, the Anafi. I'm so curious about this drone. Even though the controller looks a little bit toy grade, the rest of it looks like it's pretty well built. I'm very curious about the Anafi. And this is new, guys. I actually wanted to test this a while ago, and I need to get back with the guy, but this, I didn't realize they were starting to host ROV platforms now. This is the PowerVision PowerRay. This is an underwater submersible. I can't believe they're actually starting to host these now at Best Buy. And of course, looks like we got one of the Mavic series here. And what do we got? The Osmo Pocket and the DJI Osmo. Might even be the Osmo 2. Yeah, the Osmo Mobile 2. And then of course, the Tello. And so the Mavic 2 and the Mavic 2 Pro aren't here. I don't know what happened with that. Apparently that never happened. And then of course the Flymore combo down there for the Mavic Pro, the Osmo 2. Of course they're still carrying the Phantom 4 series, the Mavic Air, and the Spark. So, if you guys were curious what they're doing, that's what's happening. What's up, dudes? Say hi. YouTube is waving. Hi. Okay. So, how long have you guys had the PowerVision in, man? The ROV? Do you know? If you don't know, that's alright.
It hasn't been long.
No? I'm
thinking, has it been before Christmas or after Christmas?
I didn't think you guys had it for very long. I started testing the ROV platforms on my YouTube channel a little while ago, and I never reached out to PowerRay to find out. But I can't believe you guys are hosting it, man. It's good to start seeing these ROVs in the store.
Yeah,
actually, are they really? How much is the? Oh yeah, 13, huh?
Instead of the original $18.99.
Right. Wow. That actually is a pretty good deal, guys. $13.99 for the PowerRay. Now this is what, 100 meters? Do you know the story behind this? 100 meters of tether? How they work this?
Not 100 meters. What you get in the box is up to 100 meters of tether.
Well, that's what I'm saying. 100 meters of tether line. That's 333 feet, right?
If you buy it, but they don't give you that with it.
Oh, you're just buying the PowerRay itself for that price?
Now you're getting around 30 feet of tether.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, disgusting. That's alright.
Full 100.
That sucks. So for the extra tether buoy system.
It is capable, they do tell you the capabilities, it is capable of going that deep.
Right, yeah.
Now, I do know moment power battery dies will float back up.
Sure. I have the Gladius awesome. Advanced 2 Pro, so yeah. I'm all about it.
Other than that, it's really hard to find reviews on it.
Yeah, well, I reached out to PowerRay, so maybe I'll review it next, we'll see. It's definitely a massive snapper. That is definitely a snapper. Yeah, he is huge. Don't throw it at him, please. Don't do that. I know, man. I walked over here to stop you. That's why. That way they could check you out real fast.
He's like, let's go.
Yep, he's on his way. Biggin'. Stay back, Sylvia.
I missed letting him snap at you.